Hey everyone, and welcome back to KidsWorld. Today, we're diving into a topic we all deal with almost every single day: shopping and money. It's more than just buying stuff. It's about making smart choices and becoming a money genius. Let's be real, shopping is a big part of our lives. Whether it's grabbing groceries, picking out a new outfit, or just getting something fun, we're constantly making decisions. Personally, I believe shopping is a fantastic opportunity to learn how to manage our money wisely. It's not just about spending, it's about being thoughtful and strategic. I have to admit, I'm a big fan of online shopping. Why? It's super convenient. I can sit on my couch, browse different websites, and compare prices in just a few clicks. This is my secret weapon for finding the best deals and snagging some awesome discounts. It helps me make sure I'm getting the most value for my money. It's like a treasure hunt, but for bargains. But that doesn't mean I've given up on traditional shopping. In fact, I love going window shopping at the mall with my friends. There's something so relaxing about strolling through the stores, checking out the new arrivals, and just enjoying the atmosphere, even if we don't end up buying anything. It's a great way to hang out and get inspired without feeling pressured to spend. Now, let's talk about the money part. My golden rule is to save up for things I really want, instead of making impulsive purchases. I think we've all been there. You see something shiny and you just have to have it, right? But I've learned that delaying that gratification is so much more rewarding. For instance, last year I had my heart set on a new laptop for school and creative projects. Instead of buying it right away, I created a savings plan. It took me a few months of putting money aside, saying no to smaller, less important things. But let me tell you, the feeling of walking into the store and buying that laptop with money I had earned and saved, it was incredible. It felt like a real accomplishment. That's what I call smart spending, being intentional with your money to achieve a bigger goal. It taught me patience and the real value of a hard-earned item. How I pay is also something I think about. Sometimes I use cash, especially for small purchases, because seeing the physical money leave my wallet makes the spending feel more real. But most of the time, I use my card. It's not just for convenience, it's also because it helps me track my spending. I can look at my statement at the end of the month and see exactly where my money went, and I always keep the receipt. You never know when you might need to return something that does not fit or is not quite right. Having that little piece of paper can save you a lot of hassle when you need a refund. Of course, life isn't all about saving every single penny. It's important to treat yourself sometimes. I definitely splurge a little here and there. Maybe it's a nice dinner out with family, a special gift for a friend's birthday, or that one book I've been dying to read. These little splurges make life more enjoyable. The key is moderation. I try not to go on a huge shopping spree too often because that can quickly derail my budget and my financial goals. It's all about finding that sweet spot, that perfect balance between saving for the future and enjoying the present. This brings me to a bigger point: the cost of living. It's a term you'll hear more and more as you get older. It basically means how much money you need for essentials like housing, food, and transportation. Being a smart shopper helps you manage this better. When you look for affordable options, hunt for a bargain, and avoid things that are too pricey for your budget, you're developing skills that will help you your entire life. So, when you think about it, every trip to the store, every online purchase, is a mini lesson in financial literacy. Shopping teaches us about money management, decision-making, and responsibility. It's not just about acquiring new things. It's about learning to be budget-friendly, to plan ahead, and even to get creative with how we use our resources. Being a smart shopper means you're in control. You decide where your money goes and why. You learn to tell the difference between a want and a need. And honestly, that feeling of control is way better than any temporary thrill from a random purchase. So yes, shopping can be a ton of fun, but being a smart, savvy shopper, that's even better. It's a superpower you can use for the rest of your life. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today to talk about smart shopping and money choices. I hope you found these tips helpful. What's the best bargain you've ever found? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to KidsWorld and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.